Hello friends, welcome to the worksheet video series. This is the fourth video of this series. In the earlier videos, we created worksheets for English, numbers and EVS. These worksheets are for phonics and they will help the kid identify the alphabets by using the sound of the pictures. And in this, I have covered most of the 3-letter words which have a vowel in between. So let's begin. So this is the first worksheet. In this, the kid has to identify the starting alphabet of each picture by using the sound of that. So you tell me what is this, then using the sound you tell me what is the starting alphabet and write it here.
Okay. Heart. Fire.
This one.
Tree. Tree.
Okay, this.
Bananas. Moon. Okay. Sun. Leaf.
Now in this one there is a picture. You need to tell what the picture is, and here I have already written the first and the last alphabet. You just have to fill the middle alphabet, okay? And the middle ones are all vowels, okay? Now first tell me what is this?
Cap.
What will come here? Now what is this?
Cup.
What is the middle sound? Okay, this one.
Hen. Pig. Mop.
Okay, so what is the middle sound?
Mop.
Now we did the starting sound and the middle sound, okay? Now we have to find out the ending sound. So there are 3 alphabets. Whichever is the correct alphabet for the ending sound, you have to color that, okay? What is this?
Duck.
Very nice.
Good.
Dolphin.
Good. And this one?
Ball. Ship. Six. Last one, everyone. Clown.
Now in this we have to make 3-letter words, okay? 3 alphabet words, all ending with the sound N. Okay, so now with each sound you have to append N at the end. N. Okay, what is this?
Okay. And fan.
Yes, write it here. Now what is this?
Can.
Good. This one?
And man.
What is this?
Pan.
Pen. Now what is this?
Van.
In this we have to tell the correct sequence, okay, for making the word. Correct sequence, like what is this picture? Bat. So you know how it starts. You have to keep making arrows of what will be the next sound, okay?
Okay. Bat.
What is this?
Cat.
Now
Cat.
yes, this one.
Hat.
Next.
Rat. Rat.
Okay. Now this one.
Mat. Okay. Mat.
Good. This is kind of a puzzle. So there are two pictures. So this one we have to write like this, and for this picture we have to write the word like this. They both have the middle alphabet A. Right? Okay. So what is this? Which color is this?
Red.
There is A in middle, no? So you have to write what is the starting and the ending sound.
Red.
What is this picture?
Bed.
Bed. So how it starts? What is the starting sound?
B.
B. Now how will it end? Okay. Now what is this?
Bat.
Bat. So bat. How does bat starts?
B. Bat.
How is he feeling?
Sad. He's feeling sad.
Sad. So sad also has A in middle, no? So it's
Yeah.
already here. We have to write starting.
That is an ending sound. Sad. Like this.
Yes. In this, there are many pictures. Now you have to circle all the pictures which have A sound in them. A. Okay. What is this?
Kite.
Is there any A sound? No. Now what is this?
Fan.
Is there any A sound? Yes. Fan. A is there, no? Good. Now what is this?
Map.
Map has A sound? Yes. Circle it. Map. Now what is this?
Okay. Block.
Is there any A sound? No. Good. Now what is this?
Pan.
Pan. Pan has A sound in middle? Yes. Circle it.
Bag.
Bag has A?
Leg.
Leg. Is there any A? No. Now in this, I've already written word here, okay? So, but one is correct and one is not correct. So, you have to tell what the picture is, and with the sound, you have to identify which one is the correct, okay?
And then we have to circle
Yes. Now, what is this?
Spider web.
Web. Yes. So, which one is the correct word for web? Now, what is this sock? Is it wet or dry?
No, wet.
Wet. No, water is dripping. Okay, so now you have to tell which one is the correct. What is the starting sound of that?
Wet.
Yes. Now what is he doing?
Hopping.
Hopping. So what is the correct? Hop. It's a fan. Hand fan.
Hand fan.
Fan. So what is the correct?
Yeah.
Fan. In this, you have to read the word, what it is, and match with the correct picture. Now what is this?
Okay. Leap.
Lip. Very good.
Lip.
Where is the lip?
Here.
Yes. What is this?
Sun.
Now this one.
Bug. Here's the bug. Ladybug.
Yes. Now this one.
Okay. Mad.
Mad. Very good. Who is mad?
Nut.
Nut. Where's the nut?
You know, some animals like to eat nuts.
Squirrels.
Yeah, like Peter Rabbit has
Yeah.
a squirrel.
In this, what is this? You have to tell. Now there are 4 alphabets here. From the sound of this picture, we have to tell one of the alphabet will not be in this.
So
okay?
we have to cross them.
Yes.
We have to cross them in the box.
Yes. Now what is this? Pot. Is there any you tell me what is the sound?
R.
Is there any r in pot? No. Cross it.
Cross your little
No.
one. Or
O is there in pot? Yes. What is this?
Purse there in pot. Toes there in
Yes.
pot.
Okay. Now what is this?
Car.
Car. Now what is this?
Curse there. As there. There is there.
Is there no car? Is there no? What is this? B is there in car? No. What is this?
Box.
Box. Now what is the sound?
Boof.
Is there in box? No. Cross. X there in box?
Yeah. O is there in
Boy is there. Now what is this?
pin.
Pin.
Purse there. It's not there.
It's not there. No cross.
This is there. This is there.
Yes. Very good. So this was our last worksheet. So we will be making a full series of phonics worksheets for kids, which will help them read, and you can reuse these worksheets as these are put in plastic sheets, so we can just rub them and use them multiple times.